Hello, Phoenix. G2's Avatar here. And as always, his wife and partner Lori is always with him. We've been helping folks buy homes in this beautiful valley for over 3 decades now, and we've seen a lot of market shifts. But what we're facing now with the potential impact of tariffs on imported goods, especially building materials, is something that requires careful attention. If you're thinking about buying a home, this is critical information you need to have. Tariffs, in simple terms, are taxes on imported goods. And when those goods are essential for building homes, like lumber, gypsum for drywall, and other crucial components, the cost of construction goes up. This directly affects the price of new homes, and the impact is significant. Experts are predicting potential price increases that could range from 7% to as high as 12% on new home construction. Let's put that into perspective. On a $500,000 house, a 7% increase adds $35,000 to the price, and a 12% increase adds a whopping $60,000. That's a substantial jump in what you'll have to pay, and it directly impacts your buying power. Now, you might be thinking, okay, but I'm looking at resales, not new construction, and that's a valid point. However, increased costs in new construction create ripple effects. As new homes become more expensive, demand for existing homes could increase, driving up prices in the resale market as well. It's a supply and demand dynamic, and it's something we've seen play out in various forms throughout our years in this market. Lori and I have witnessed firsthand how economic factors can impact the Phoenix real estate landscape. We remember when a 2,500 square foot home, similar to what might cost $450,000 today, was selling for around $150,000 in the early 2000s. These tariffs could accelerate those changes. Our goal isn't to scare you, but to empower you with knowledge to make informed decisions. With our 30-plus years of experience in the Phoenix market, we can help you navigate these potential changes. We can help you understand your buying power, explore your options, and strategize the best course of action. Don't wait and see your buying power shrink as these tariffs potentially drive prices higher. Let's explore your options now, while you still have the best opportunity to secure a home that fits your needs and your budget. Contact Lori and G2 today. We're here to help you navigate this complex situation and achieve your home ownership goals.